ILCP
Step 5.
Research.
Step 5, research.
Now it's time for you to do your research. You started with the initial research, which was very shallow and just a little bit of information, but now you're going to take all of your sources and read them very carefully and watch them carefully and listen carefully to get all of the information out of those sources that you can.
And we want you to do this by using a Cornell style of note-taking, which you don't know what it is yet, but after this video, we have a video on Cornell notes. Also, there are examples of our Cornell notes in Schoology, so you can see how we took notes throughout the project and take a glance at those.
When you're doing this research, you want to keep your ICANN learning objectives in mind to make sure that you are finding the information so that at the end of this project, you really can do those objectives. Like we talked about before, those objectives may change as you kind of research. You may add objectives or take away objectives if you find that it's too hard to find information. And that kind of goes along with that last bullet point there as well. While you're doing your objectives, you want to think about making sure that you have information in each one of them. And if you don't, then you're going to need to go out and find new sources that have that information.
I feel like that's pretty common too, finding new sources and changing your objective. So if you're doing that, that's okay. It's pretty common.
So after you think you've done all of your research, we want you to formally ask yourself if your objectives are still okay. Did you find out that they are too complicated, or you don't have enough objectives, or you're just not going to meet one of them, or you want to change one? But you need to look back over your ICANN statements and see if you're still happy with them.
If you're looking for examples of what research looks like when it's done, you can check out the Schoology folder where you'll find all of our finished projects, including the notes from our research.
Good luck.
Have fun!
See ya!